I will explain how to fold a kimono. You can fold the kimono without moving. It doesn't spread much. Then, let's begin. First, hold the kimono head, that is, the collar, on the left side. Then fold it from the hem side. Put on the kimono and hold the side line on the front side. It is the side line. I will explain the 3 lines from the edge. This is the edge seam. There is a seam called a kumi line between the seam at the end and the side line. The next seam is the side line. Hold this side line about the width of your shoulder. Hold and unfold. After unfolding, it will look like this. Next, fold it along this kumi line. Then bring the other side down. Align the folded edges. Next, I will turn back at the kumi line, but next is the side line. Hold this side line. Slide it to the foremost side line and fold it. This is the situation. Repeat this from here. I will proceed toward the head. Fold back this end and pull it so you don't have to move it. Then, the place that has not been folded up now comes to the front. Fold it little by little. Align the bottom sidelines again, just like folding the sidelines first. Last time, the kumi line came next, but if you climb the kumi line all the way to the head side, you will reach the collar. I came from below in this state. Last time, there was a kumi line on the other side, and I folded it. This time there is a collar on the other side, so I will stack them. Then bring the other side line and fold it. Make sure there are no wrinkles. I folded it up to the side. I will not move, so even if I pull the end, I bring it to me once. You can fold it up a little. I have reached the end. This is called shoulder mountain. The place where there is a crease on the shoulder is shoulder mountain. Align the collar above the kumi line. Fold this collar once at its corner. This may be difficult, but align the collar on the opposite shoulder extension. When you match it, open it up like this and fold it up, so that the center of your back folds cleanly. Finally, bring the opposite shoulder to the shoulder mountain, at the extension of the armpit. Then fold the sleeves and fold. Bring the folded hem to the top. how much you pull it, but it depends on the size of the tailoring of the kimono, but the tip of the collar appears here. Wrap it around your neck. Then the kimono is hard to lose its shape. Finally, since I haven't folded the lower sleeve yet, I'll fold it. Align here. Align the sleeves with the sleeves on the outside. Hold the kimono with one hand, including the hem. With your other hand, hold it including the end of the hem and lift it up to fold the sleeves. Make sure that all the seams on the side closest to you are neatly aligned. Then, it is hard to lose its shape. Yes, I finished folding the kimono. Done.